Hi guys, so finally IIM Kozhikode's final placement report is out for the batch 2019-21. So this is the latest report that we have. This is actually published by The Hindu. The great thing about this college is, again, ultimately when you have a brand, it works for you. Now, let's start with the placement statistics step by step. 100% placement, 459 students got placed, 100% placement in the 6 days. So they took 6 days and they could get everybody placed. That's a fabulous number. Let's move ahead. Understand this. The mean salary stood 22.5 lakh, which is slightly down compared with the last year, and the median was 20 lakh per annum. Previously, if you talk about 2020 wala batch, 18-20 wala batch, it was the median was 20.8 and the average was around about 23.08 lakh per annum. But again, if you look at the dent is not that big, it's a slight decrease in the numbers, but still during the COVID era, and when the economy was completely sluggish and the entire the situations globally were not that lucrative, IIM Kozhikode still managed to actually give you these sort of numbers. So it's a fabulous thing, and it is only and only backed by the kind of a legacy that this college has, and that is the reason I always say that if you get into Blackie, you are actually sorted. Again, अंदर जाके मेहनत भी करनी होती है, सब बच्चों को अच्छा नहीं मिलता है, but then what I look at is the opportunity. Like if you're in a brand, then you're getting good opportunities. Moving ahead, 459 students, 137 offers were rolled out. अगर बात करेंगे इनके top 50% students ने जो average package निकल के आता है, that is around about 28.9 lakh per annum, which is around about 30 lakhs per annum. That is the average of the top 50% of the students, which is an increment of 8.1%. So as I said, कि हर एक को नहीं मिलता है. If you work really hard, you will be able to get that. So if you are in this cluster of top 50%, though आपका average package and median package slightly down हो गया था, but actually में top 50% बच्चा लोगों का जो package है, that actually increased by 8.1%. That's a phenomenal growth वैसे देखा जाए तो. So again, numbers are pretty good. If you talk about the last year placement, last year का अगर हम compare करेंगे, so last year it was 26.69. This year it is 28.9, which is a good number. इसका highest package के बारे में अगर मैं बात करूं, so highest package is round about 44.80 lakhs. This is what you will be able to see if you check the sort of a picture posted by the college itself on the LinkedIn. मेरे ख्याल से this is from where I got it. So 44.8 lakh is the highest domestic salary. I think that's a drop. मेरे ख्याल से last year इनका कुछ 58 lakhs था, but again. It's still good because because of the COVID, I think the B schools were not really hoping for these kind of numbers, but I think Kozhikode has done a great job. Moving ahead, which is the leading cluster in IIM? That's nothing but your consulting. That's 32.7% of the offers out of 100 offers. 32.7%, which is almost 1/3 of the offers are given by the consulting giants, which is definitely you've got MBB out here, then you've got Cognizant, you've got which is CBS, you've got Accenture, you've got PwC. This is one of the big four. You've got Infosys and you've got E&Y. All these are great companies. All these are giants out here. So 32.7% offers were given only by consulting domain. Followed by the second largest cluster in IIM Kozhikode is basically BFSI. So 21.5% offers were given by the BFSI sector. हर एक role यहाँ पे आता है. You get investment banking roles. You get मेरे ख्याल से you get hedge funds. You get PE. You get VC. P and VC I still need to check, but I am hopeful कि ये मिलता होगा. You get corporate banking, you get wholesale banking, you get retail banking, you get wealth management, you get also roles in the IT domain, in the BFSI domain, actually in the IT sector. So you will get mix and match as far as the BFSI thing is concerned. Again, you will get jobs into the NBFCs also sometimes. If you look at the financial sector, the companies are like State Street. This is basically a custodian, by the way. It's a great bank though. Yes Bank again picked up ICICI. These are all the Indian banks. You've got BlackRock, the great asset management company. You've got Citi, you've got Deutsche, you've got Goldman Sachs. So you will see students getting placed asset management companies, जो mutual fund वाला चीज होता है, right? You'll see students getting placed into equity research analysis वाला area. So it's a combo, and it actually looks little promising. Now, if you talk about sales and marketing, it's 15.25% as far as the numbers are concerned. You have Fractal, you've got Google, you must be having American Express. All these are the big companies. Again, you have certain unicorn coming on the campus, which is nothing but Udaan. You've got some startups, which is nothing but Myntra and all that. अगर मैं बाकी sectors के बारे में बात करूँ, IT and analytics would contribute around about 16.8%. Last year second highest package मेरे ख्याल से IT and analytics ने दिया था, and last year का जो highest package था वो actually sales and marketing में आया था. I'm not sure इस साल का sales and marketing है या नहीं, but we need to wait for that. Then we talk about sales and marketing, that's 50.2%, 15.2%. Operations on a very lower end, that's 8.3%. And Genman is around about 5.4%. So overall, the placement report looks good. And this is where your brand actually helps you. So there were a lot of people, they were saying that, don't do an MBA this time because, MBA will not be that helpful. COVID ka panga aa raha hai, economy down ho jayega, ye, wo, all that, shit that people were talking about. But now as and when the numbers actually started, coming up, things really look good. Okay, I'm not saying that, the picture is really rosy out here. There might be certain students in this college, they might have got 12, 13, 14, 15 lakhs ka package also. But it's always about, it's always about, what sort of an opportunity you are getting and how you actually cash on that opportunity. So again, if you're preparing for CAT 21 or if you're somebody who's got a call from IIM Kozhikode, do not screw it up. Prepare pretty hard for it and try to get in here because this brand will help you today, tomorrow and throughout your life. So guys, that's it from my side. I hope you liked the review. Kindly subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting a couple of more videos about the colleges. I'll keep you guys motivating and give you guys idea about the profile and everything. By the way, और एक अच्छी बात है IIM Kozhikode की, यहाँ पे freshers का नंबर भी अच्छा खासा है. तो अगर आपको लगता है कि यार ब्लैकी में freshers वगैरह नहीं चलते हैं, गलत है. IIM Kozhikode is also famous for the gender diversity. जब इसका detailed एक report out हो जाएगा, I'll probably make this video again. But as of now, 2021 का highlight looks amazingly good. And guys, mind you, 459 बच्चा लोगों को इन लोगों ने प्लेस करा है. That's a huge number. 459. इस बार इनके पास 500 बच्चे हैं मेरे ख्याल से. 6 दिन में प्लेसमेंट पूरा हुआ. 44.8 lakhs हाईएस्ट सैलरी है. 459 ऑफर्स आया था. 20 lakhs का मीडियन CTC है एंड एवरेज पैकेज 22.5 lakhs का है. 137 कंपनीज आई थी कैंपस पे. So that's the report from my side from Kozhikode for the year 2019-21 batch. So guys, that's it from my side. Hit the like and share the video. Thank you.